minimizing downtime, maximizing availability, predicting overall repair rates, meeting customer expectations. Ensuring that your system is highly maintainable is critical in providing your customers with the performance that they expect. Many times, though, maintainability prediction analyses are inefficient. You need a tool that allows you to quickly calculate your product's maintainability and pinpoint areas for potential improvement. That's where Relyence Maintainability Prediction steps in, providing the capability and effectiveness that you need to be fully compliant, wrapped in a friendly and flexible interface that allows you to quickly perform your maintainability analyses with ease. Examples of its power include the ability to create your own maintenance tasks or use the built-in task library from Mill Handbook 472. And you can then quickly organize your tasks into maintenance task groups and fault detection and isolation outputs. Defining repairs based on those tasks, groups, and FDNI outputs is as easy as selecting them from a list. Perform comprehensive maintainability calculations such as mean time to repair, mean corrective maintenance time, and mean man-hours per repair. Additionally, direct integration seamlessly links data with Relyence Reliability Prediction. Keep an eye on your system health and react proactively with Relyonce's unparalleled customizable dashboards. See important information such as your tasks per subsystem, your assemblies with the highest maintenance times, and a breakdown of your MTTR elements. And expand for more details. Built for collaboration, Relyence Maintainability Prediction can be used solo, in a local team, or across your enterprise. Additionally, you and your team can work together in real time at your office or around the world. And Relyence Maintainability Prediction also works on any device and any browser. Built-in maintainability and reliability, your success depends on it. Ensure it with the right tools. Discover the Relyence advantage. Try Relyence Maintainability Prediction for free today. Sign up on our website or give us a call in the US or internationally.